The LG V20 is April, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL TAB. So this is a new tablet for Verizon Wireless. It's available now for $833 a month. For 24 months are $199.99 for retail price. So this is a budget tablet. So yeah. So this is what the TCL TAB looks like. There's a big ass bezel on it right there. So it is what it is. I don't know what the actual ratio is. It's probably 18:9. Probably, I don't know. So I do like the wallpaper there. Very nice wallpaper. Your power and your RAM keys will be on the right side of the tablet there. On the back of the TCL tab, you do have your camera flash, TCL branding, and your Verizon branding on the back. There's the left side, and I don't know if there's anything on the left side. I don't know. Then there's the right side. You got your power and your RAM keys there. So yeah. So the TCL TAB has 25 days of standby time, 17 hours of usage time, 8 megapixel main camera with LED flash. There's dimensions there. It's supposed to be 0.34 inches depth and 8.34 inches height there. So yeah. So it says here, meet the TCL TAB 8-inch. So this is the 8-inch display. A powerful tablet to keep you connected on the go. The octa-core processor and expandable storage makes it easy to send emails, listen to music, and stream your favorite shows. iComfort mode and dark mode lets you view and read on the 8-inch Full HD display. For a prolonged period of time without high strain, a quick charge battery keeps you connected during your busiest days, and you can even share power with a phone or smartwatch while on the go. So that's pretty cool. Snap share worthy pics with ease on the 8 megapixel rear camera and the 5 megapixel front facing camera. The rear camera is equipped with multiple filters, modes, and manual settings for stunning photos. Use your TCL TAB 8-inch with confidence thanks to the secure fingerprint sensor. Do more of what you love with the TCL TAB 8-inch and Verizon. Number dismissed the Awarded Network. So for $200 you are getting a lot for $200, so yeah. Not bad, right? Powerful and portable. The TCL TAB packs powerful performance into a compact and stylish design. The 2 GHz octa-core processor combined with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage that's expandable up to 256 GB lets you watch, play, chat, and browse with fast 4G LTE speeds. So there is no 5G on board, of course, so this is a $200 tablet, so you did get what you pay for here, so yeah. But for $200 you are getting a lot. View and comfort. The large 8-inch Full HD display features iComfort mode and dark mode to filter blue light and create easy viewing while conserving battery, and use reading mode to turn the screen monochromatic, making it easier to read comfortably for extended periods of time. So that's pretty interesting. So this has a reading mode on it, so you can do that as well. So pretty cool. Share the power. The 5,500 mAh battery with quick charge provides up to 17 hours of use. While Smart Manager and Battery Saver mode monitor and extends battery life. The TCL TAB is equipped with OTG reversible charging capability, so you can share power with a phone or smartwatch but on the go. So for $200 you will have the ability to charge other devices with this tablet, so that's pretty insane for $200. So even though this is a budget tablet in terms of specs and shit, you are getting a lot of features with this tablet for $200, so that's that's very good, you know. Take pretty quality pics. Share all your favorite pics from the 8MP rear camera with autofocus and take the perfect selfie on the 5MP front camera with face beauty effect. Record videos in HD. Play with raw life. Filters capture the entire scene with panoramic mode and create phone clips with stop motion mode. Let the artist inside you shine. Let the artist inside you shine with Permit, which lets you control manual settings like shutter speed, brightness, and focus. Secure access. The versatile fingerprint sensor keeps your information protected and securely unlocks your tablet. Register up to 5 different fingerprints and quickly launch your favorite apps directly from the lock screen. So that's pretty cool. So I think your power button is your fingerprint sensor, so it's pretty cool. So it's not bad for $200, you know what I'm saying? Not bad. So like I said, for $200 you are getting a lot. For $200 you are getting a lot. You really are, you know. So specs on this tablet are decent. Like I said, this is a budget tablet in terms of spec sheet, but feature wise this thing's fucking packed. So that's a win. So there's your networks up there. You do have XLTE ready, which doubles our 4G LTE bandwidth and cities from coast to coast. It also has LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's also a world device, which you can use it in over 200 countries. Standby time 25 days. Usage time 17 hours. Display is 8 inches Full HD Plus. So this is an 18:9 screen. It looks, I mean, yeah, it does have big ass bezels on it, but it is a full HD Plus display. So it does have an 18:9 screen. So pretty good. Your resolution is 1200 by 1920 pixels. That's an IPS display. 283 ppi. Dragon tail per glass. The camera is 8MP with flash on the back and 5MP front facing camera. You will have Android 10 on board with Google Assistant, of course. Your Wi-Fi is 802.11 ABGN and AC, Wi-Fi direct and dual band Wi-Fi. Snapdragon processor, its octa-core is, I think it's a 612 processor. I don't know, but I don't know the exact Snapdragon processor it is. It says STM 6125, so I guess it's 612, I don't know. But all I know that this is a Snapdragon processor. Your memory is 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. You do have microSD card expansion up to 256 GB. So take advantage of that. Your battery is 5500 milliamps. Width is 4.93 inches. Height is 8.24 inches. Depth is 0.34 inches. There's your star ratings, networks, and stuff like that down there. If you guys need help with your TCL TAB, Verizon has you covered with that. Says here, Verizon Wireless supports. Helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your TCL TAB 8-inch tablet, 4G LTE SIM card installed, 5500 mAh battery, Type-C, wall charger, sun ejection tool, Verizon booster. So pretty good for $200. This is a win. It does look very nice. It does have big ass bezels on it, but for $200 you really can't complain. This does have a lot of features on it. This thing's fucking packed. For $200, it's fucking packed, you know. Specimen pretty good, you know. Decent, you know. This is not F-Like tablet or nothing like that. Something to keep in mind. If you guys want an Android tablet, it's available. If you guys want a cheap Android tablet on Verizon, the TCL TAB is worth looking at here. It does look very nice. Like I said, it does have big bezels on it, but it does have a lot of features on it. So for $200, you are getting a lot for $200. So yeah, this thing is fucking packed with features. This thing's packed with fucking features like fingerprint sensor, the ability to charge other devices. This thing is packed with features. So it's worth 200 bucks. It's worth it. So you might as well just buy this phone. You might as well just buy this tablet outright at 200 bucks. So I think it's worth it. And so yeah, there you guys have the TCL TAB and now Verizon Wireless for $833 a month for 24 months or $199.99 for a retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Let's me all peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.